Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Dr. Manjula Pooja Shroff, MD and CEO of the Calorex Group, spoke about Calorex's innovation-driven education model. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have with us a very special guest. She is Dr. Manjula Pooja Shroff, MD, Calorex Group. So, welcome to the summit, ma'am.
Thank you.
How's your experience being here?
Oh, very good. We're just finishing the noon session. We had a lineup of very good speakers, very diverse speakers, and as always, very, very throbbing, dynamic.
Absolutely, ma'am. So, first of all, I would like to ask you that Calorex has always been, heads up on the innovation thing.
Yes.
So, what's your latest area of focus in that matter?
See, when you work on innovation, it's a continuous learning.
Right.
So, we have a department called Future Learning that is continuously working towards keeping abreast of technology and pedagogical changes. Having said that, we also every summer sort of pay attention to innovation by hiring interns who will tell us which is the most efficient way of engaging with technology for making pedagogical changes. So we have it very systemic. It's not like, every now and then we wake up and say, hey, innovation karna hai. It's actually in our blood. It's actually in our processes that we innovate every year. So it's just a continuous method.
That's great to hear, ma'am. So, how do you make sure that in your education institute, the education excellence as well as value-based system are, a balance is maintained between them?
So, one is we ourselves have sort of curated content for value education, moral education.
Right.
When we were growing up, we had a moral education period where we were taught. See, I'm sitting in the holy land of Golden Temple where the teaching is the text.
Wow.
Ab jab tak teaching nahi karenge, it is very hard for children to learn on their own. So values, morals, ethics, everything has to be taught. So we have content, we generate our own content, which is very in a very comic style, friendly style. We push the value-based education. So apart from curriculum, which is set by NCERT or CBSE, our zero period is always about value-based education.
That's a great initiative, ma'am. So, like you can see that technology is really sweeping over the education systems, and especially after the COVID period. So, how do you think technology can play a crucial role in inclusive education system of India?
So, technology is a double-edged sword. If you engage with technology right, it will be productive. If you engage with technology wrong, it can actually tip the balance, right? Because technology has the power to explode.
Right.
So, with us, we've created the first teacher mentor AI avatar of Maya, who's doing a lot of educational training for faculty members.
Right.
So, our way of inclusion is essentially bringing on board the faculty members, creating an awareness, creating a contemporary understanding of them, because once the faculty understands it, they can push it into the classroom and bring the students on board. So a lot of our work is done actually through the teacher training.
That's great to hear, ma'am. So any specific initiative you want to tell the educators about? What do you think is making the Calorex Group different from the crowd?
I think the key initiative will be the fact that we believe in humanity.
Right.
We celebrate humanity and we take humanity to the next level. So a lot of our trainings on our faculty members or adults, parents even, is what we call the hashtag MPS, which is the mental, physical, spiritual, social, emotional. It is a 360-degree approach. We don't rest on the laurels of saying, this is an academically strong group. We are academically strong. We are emotionally sustainable. We are very, very innovative. So mentally, physically, we are extremely social. We are very, very spiritual. So all the dimensions is something that we pay equal amount of attention to.
That's great. And I'm sure it's the need of the hour as well. So thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views. And we are really grateful to have you here for, the third time here right now.
Thank you for having me here. Such a pleasure.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170700100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.